Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2015 Toyota Prius in white with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch. This also has a 4-cylinder CVT engine. It's a front-wheel drive and it's a hybrid, so it uses both fuel and a lithium-ion battery for power. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered and also has lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have your media display as well as your hands-free dialing, and you can control the temperature and the trip. This is a push start, and so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the power button. And as well, you'll see here that you have your cruise control. So the vehicle's starting up and it's pretty quiet, and that is because of the fact that it's a hybrid. So it uses both fuel as well as a battery. And you're seeing the hybrid system indicators on the top there, as well as your odometer reading, and you also have the time. Down below you have your display screen, and you've got your media choices of AM, FM, as well as satellite radio and CD. Below that you have the temperature, and you have your climate control located there. And on your screen, I'll just mention, when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. So I'm just going to put it in there for you. There you go, you can see the backup. And then you just bring it back down again, and what you can do is push your park button, and that puts you in the park mode. You also have your front and rear defrost, as well as the EV mode, eco mode, and the power mode. And there's your hazard lights, and there's your shifter. Besides, you have a little bin to put things in, as well as a cup holder and an armrest, and you can open this up, and inside there's more storage. And off to the side is your glove compartment. Now down in the little cubby here, you've got the control for the heated front seats, both for passenger and driver, and a 12 volt. Up above is the garage door opener. You have an auto dimming rear view mirror, as well you have your lighting controls and a sunglass holder. And on the side here, on the passenger's header, you have a grab handle, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, body color door handle, driver's side fuel cap. The release is beside the driver's seat. There's a hatch in the back that has a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and your backup camera is to the left of the Toyota badge. When you're ready to open up the hatch portion, you simply put your hand underneath and you just press, whoops, and it lifts right up. Inside you've got this nice all-weather mat, as well as a tonneau cover. And then when you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle to the right or the left. Simply put your hand in, pull down, and it's now securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. There's a button at the back of the seat, and this releases the seat when you press on it, and then you just pull and down it goes. You now have access to that back cargo area. You're seeing the tonneau cover and the all-weather mat. There's also anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats. And then you simply flip the seat back up with a push, and in the center there's an armrest that comes down, and there's a couple of cup holders in there. And on the floor you have a nice all-weather mat, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and up above there's hooks, handles, and lighting. Sleek lines, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.